So, good evening, people. I'm showing you today what a determinant actually means. So, yesterday I went over it a little bit, but I didn't really go into detail about it. I just said that it's how a scale of an area changes with a transformation, right? And before I start this video, I want to show you something. Apologies for my attire, I just got home, but I really wanted to make this video. But yeah, look, I've got a pomegranate here. Not that that has any relevance to the video, but I really like pomegranates. So yeah, so you notice I'm using a bit different notation to last time. Instead of ACDB, it's now ACBD here. So the C would have been opposite A usually, but now it's ACBD like that. So the determinant's going to come out differently, but it means the same thing. So let's look at this, right? This is the transformation represented by this matrix, right? Now, to find how the area of this has scaled with this matrix, I can represent it really logically. So if we first of all look at this area here, right? This triangle created by this I vector here, that area is representative simply by, well, the x coordinate A and the y coordinate C. So the area of this is simply AC over 2 because it's a triangle, of course, and the same can be repeated up here because it's just the opposite. There we go, world's worst drawing. AC over 2, and we can say the same thing for here. This vector, well, the x coordinate is, well, this time B here, so B is going to be here at the top. Well, let me write it in black to keep it consistent. So this triangle is going to be, and this one here is going to be represented by, well, BD over 2, with the x times the y over 2, base times height over 2, and the same thing here. Now what's left is these little square areas or quadrilateral areas here. Well, using logic from what we've just seen now, those areas are simply going to be represented by this area, so it's going to be it's going to be BD. Yeah, it's going to be BD. So let me let me just check that my brain's going a bit funny. So yeah, so the x coordinate here is B, and this y coordinate of BC. What am I saying? It's BC. Absolute idiot. Anyway, that's BC. BC. And then to calculate all of this, well, let's look at the values we've got. This whole area is going to be, this height is represented by the y value, so D, and this height is represented by the y value of this, which is C. So this value here is the x value A, and this value here is the x value B. So the determinant is equal to A plus B times D plus C minus, there's two BD triangles here, so it just cancels down to BD, and minus two AC triangles, AC, and minus 2BC, which, when you simplify everything here, returns AD minus BC. And that's how you compute the determinant of a matrix. Sorry for the scruffy video, my brain's been a bit tired today, but that's the gist of it. So now you understand. If you have any questions, you know where to come. But yeah, so we've computed this area here, and that's represented by this. This is just all of this simplified. So yeah.